Hi guys, my name is Anushka. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. So today I have created this look, a black smoky eyes with a pink glossy lips. If you want to watch how I got this look, stay tuned. And so without further ado, let's get started into the video.
I have you.
So first of all, I am using the primer by NY Bay. It's an hydrating primer with lightweight formula. It minimizes the pores and smoothes the skins. It's a perfect base to a flawless look. I am applying on the T-zone of my face. And then I'll be applying a Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. I am on the shade 310 Sun Beige. So with the help of this beauty blender, I'll be applying all over my face. So now I'm applying the concealer by NY Bay all around my eyes, my nose, my forehead, my cupid bow, chin, and then I'll be blending it with my damp beauty sponge. So now I'll be applying the loose powder on the areas where I have applied the concealer, so to avoid the creasing from that particular area. I will be using this gel eyeliner by MAC. With the help of this brush, I will be drawing a line to give a dimension to my brows and will be filling the sparse areas to give a clear dimension and to make a proper shape to my brows. So now again, with the help of this NY Bay concealer, I will be applying on the lower part and the upper part of my eyebrows to clean the brows and to make them look even more beautiful. So I'm on this process. You can even use the foundation of your shade and clean the side parts of your eyebrows, but I'm using the concealer. So again I'll be applying this loose powder around my eyes to prevent the fallouts from the eyeshadow that will be coming up next. And I will be applying some sticky tapes. You can even use the sellotape or any of the sticky tapes. I'm using a sellotape out here, so to give that the sharp edges to my eyeshadow that I will be creating up next. So as it is a black smoky eyes, I don't want to ruin any of this structure. I want to get a very sharp pointed edges, so I will be applying these sticky tapes out here. You can use these tricks. So with the help of this palette, it is the palette by MAC. I will be applying this light color for my base, and as I am starting from the outer corner to the inner corner of my eyes, I am creating this line around my crease, and then I will be applying the black color onto my lids. I will not be spreading it upwards, it will only be on my lid. So as you can see, I am taking a very little amount of product at a time, because I don't want to look the area very messy. So for that reason, to make a proper balance to the color, I will be applying a very little color unless I am satisfied with its intensity. So now as I am done with my both of the eyes, you can see that sharp edges. That is all because of the magic of that tape. So I am removing all the excess product of the powder which I had applied around my eyes. So now with the help of this Kajal, this is by the Maybelline, I will be drawing under my waterline to give even the more black smoky effect. So overall I will be blending it with my eyeshadow, the same eyeshadow which I had applied on my upper lid, the black one, and I'm going to make it more intense. So now I'll be using this contour stick by NY Bay. It's a cream contour, so I am applying it all over my face, like on my cheeks, my nose, and on my forehead, and then I will be overall blending it with my blending brush. So now with the help of this Mars palette, I will be applying the bronzer to the area where I have applied the cream contour earlier. So now I will be applying the blush to my cheeks. So this is the palette from SFR Colors, and it has a very beautiful natural shade. So I will be applying this on my cheeks with the help of this brush. And the brushes that I am using is all from the Urban Decay. So now I'm applying the highlighter, and this palette is also from the same brand, the SFR colors. It's very pigmented, and it gives a very natural glow to my face. So now I am applying these falsies from Ardell with the help of this waterproof duo glue. So finally, now it's time for the lipstick. The one which is in the pink shade, that is from the Huda Beauty, and the other one, the gloss, is from the TFF. So first of all, I am applying this pink shade by Huda Beauty, and then to give the glossiness, I will be applying the lip gloss by TFF. And finally, the makeup is all over out here. Now I am applying this setting spray by Huda Beauty to keep everything into their position, and here is the final look. This was my complete look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handles, and see you on my next videos. Bye bye.